Let's go. And watch another seaside pulling my peeps to the curb.
This speaker is so good. Wait, so basically, my camera is charging. I lost my charger for a few days. Here's a candle. It's smushed. It was on my ground. I mean my floor. I love Mac Miller and Frank Ocean, but they're in my playlist so many times, which is fine because I put them there. You're literally watching my brain right now. Okay, whoa. Today is I'm cutting into my vlog on the day after that I took it, just to say that I don't know what I was doing. I was just mindlessly kind of sitting there like, oh, it's like scratching myself. Like, what the f. Today I have to wait for my friend Isaiah. It's so funny when I forget that I'm recording myself because I'm so comfortable and so used to the camera that oftentimes I'll just kind of be sitting there like that. Also, I was really tired, so.
Is this me? Hi.
There's a burn on my tongue, like the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. I never take the time to return items when I don't need them. I just discovered that he was returning a $12 sunscreen, so it makes sense. 2 bananas, pancake bread, Nutella, milk, and ice. I always pay attention to the way that sound and movement interact with each other, I guess. I'm looking at the curtains and it's kind of raining right now, and I'm listening to the beginning of this song, and just kind of pretty. Certain things just really align in film. For me, at least. I know for a lot of other people too, that's how we compose our films. I have such a strong vision for it, and I'm working every day, don't worry. I know how to get whatever. Blah, blah. A day has passed since I was too tired to vlog. So somebody invited me to a cookout. Only if y'all will be in my vlog, right? Fucking, I hate the word vlog. This is why I hate the word vlog. Two people liked it. Nice. That sucks because I'm still gonna pull up. I'm on my way to this barbecue. I'm kind of in my bag. That means sad to everybody who doesn't know, or whatever. I just get in melancholy moods, and it's kind of weird because the weather really contradicts that right now. It's so beautiful out. Wearing America pants? Fuck America, bro. Fuck America. Seriously, this place is driving me insane. See, I feel like my goal in life is to either better America or move the fuck out. I see you all the time. All year round, you're always in a coat. You get hot ever? No? That's impressive. You keep doing you, man. I've seen him almost every day that I walk to this train station, and no matter what the weather is, he's always wearing a coat, bro. It is like 80-something degrees out today. That was my train! Sometimes I'll take shots that I know I won't use later, like the one I just included of the trains that I'm going to. Had I just listened to my gut, thinking, I don't need this shot, I'm not gonna put it in my vlog later, I wouldn't have missed my train. I knew it. I should have been vlogging every day because I've been in a different part of New York City every day for the past week. I haven't been filming them, so you want a picture? It won't take a picture, it's a video camera, I'm telling you. I can send it to you, I could send it to you. But look, I don't have a phone.
You got email?
Nope, I have like this type of phone. Also, I might put it on a vlog. I could give you like a link.
Yeah, give me a link.
Alright. I'll still send you a link to the vlog if you're gonna be in it. Doesn't mean we're gonna talk though. About that barbecue, had to come through the ladder.
Got Elijah. This nigga ugly as shit. We got Bill. That nigga Chop. We got Dre. He always smack. Alright, now let me take you around the world.
Burger I cook, dog I cook, everything I cook.
Tell a bitch what's up with it. The shit I do is excellent.
Yo, I need hold on now. Yeah. We got D.
We got
Angry.
No.
We got the angriest group ever. They angry as fuck. We got Jacob, nigga. That's unabanned perk, bro. This song slap. Alright, let's pull up on Steph. Come on. Lover. Then you got the best marriage ever. I can see those shades real quick. What's these? Oh, this is the box. These shits look like detective though. No burger. Move. Not fiending, bro.
Nigga, I bought those. Relax.
I like that.
Yeah, I try, little baby. Put your feelings to the side, little baby. Had time yesterday, but today I got time, little baby. Cause you been up on my...
There's somebody like screaming. I ran into my friends on the train. They gave me white chocolate M&Ms and honestly, white chocolate M&Ms are disgusting. Grateful though. But like still, like come on, like they didn't want to finish them. Like, man.